This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 48, Networking with Java. In this video, we explore network programming in Java and its benefits, which enables communication between users through programs. We discuss the different networking support available in Java. Before diving into network programming, it's essential to understand basic networking concepts and terminologies. As the number of users increases, networking becomes more complex and requires proper handling. Java provides a good environment to write programs for network communication. Java's URL and UL connection classes are crucial for network programming. UL specify the location to access web resources, while IP addresses identify computers on a network. MAC addresses are unique physical addresses assigned to network adapters. The init_address class is useful for handling network protocols like TCP/IP, FTP, HTTP, and SMTP. Connection-oriented protocols establish a connection before communication, while connectionless ones transmit without setup. Java provides classes like URL, UL connection, headbubble connection, and init_address for connection handling. The datagram socket class is used for UDP connectionless protocol, while server socket and socket are used for TCP connection-oriented protocol. The datagram socket class is used for communication via sockets in a connectionless manner. Its constructors and methods allow for creating sockets, sending and receiving data packets between a sender and receiver on the same machine. The server socket class creates a server object that listens for incoming client connections, while the socket class represents the client. Methods in these classes allow for handling port information, accepting connections, and setting timeouts. In a simple client-server program, the server creates a server socket to accept client requests and read data via input streams. The client creates a socket, sends data to the server via output streams on a specified port number. Building upon the previous example, a client-server dialog can be created where the client sends data and the server responds, creating a bidirectional dialog process. The server reads large messages using buffered reader and stops when the client sends a stop message. Remote client-server communication can be achieved by specifying the IP address and port number of the distant machine. The server program is slightly modified, while the client program remains unchanged, allowing communication on local or remote machines. For handling multiple clients simultaneously, a concurrent server can be implemented using threads. The server socket accepts requests and creates a thread per client with input-output streams for communication. Each thread runs continuously until the client disconnects. In summary, network programming in Java enables communication between programs and users, supported by comprehensive APIs. Understanding networking concepts is crucial, with classes like URL, head per connection, and socket facilitating web resource connections. Connection-oriented communication and connectionless UDP communication. The server-client model involves data exchange via streams, and concurrent servers use threads to handle multiple clients simultaneously. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.